Is it like inappropriate to ask you to sing?
You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey, and you're as sweet as strawberry wine, and you're as warm as a glass of brandy. And honey, I stay sprung on your love all the time.
Big up to all my new subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below. Let's get into the video.
Next single gentleman. Hello.
Hello, how are y'all?
Good, good. Thank you for asking. All right, could you please give them your name, your age, and your occupation, please?
My name is Jay. I'm a regional manager for a company. I am a musician, artist. I am just an all-around, just go-getter. Whatever it is that I like to do, I just do it.
Okay, and when you say artist, what genre of music?
R&B, blues.
Okay, awesome.
You know what? Round of applause for Black excellence. I don't know why they pop their balloons, but we're about to get into why they pop the balloon. This man said he's an artist. Why are you popping your balloon? This man is an artist. He's gonna go places. Do you wanna go places with him? Let's get it.
You pop balloons, let's find out why you pop.
Sure.
Hello. Could you please give us your name, your age, and your occupation?
So my name is Bibiana. I'm 27. I'm an upcoming model, and I'm co-owner of the Magic Flower.
Okay, Bibiana, and why did you pop your balloon?
So with a lot of jobs that I do, I feel awful.
Speak your piece.
You're an amazing person, granted, right?
But
Smile is a really big thing for me. That's it. I'm so sorry. And there's nothing wrong with you. I'm just... All right, I'm done.
Hey, no harm, no foul.
All right, nothing wrong with that. That's your preference.
Okay, okay.
Okay, and is Bibiana your type?
I'm really picky. I'm sorry. And upon initial attraction, it would be a no. But hey, you're absolutely beautiful.
Thank you.
All right. Hello. Can you give us your name, your age, and your occupation?
Yes, my name is Mandy. I'm 34, and I'm an owner of an energy brokerage firm.
Okay, and why did you pop your balloon, Mandy?
You seem very young. I didn't get your age. I don't think you said it.
I'm 29.
Yeah. So you just seem very young, and I don't know if it's like the look, the vibe, the way that your demeanor itself, hairstyle maybe, but yeah. But your skin is very nice.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, and is Miss Mandy your type?
Same thing. Initial attraction, no. But you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. Hello, can you give us your name, your age, and your occupation?
Yes, I'm Tiffany. I am 38 and I'm a marketing manager in the tech industry.
Okay, and Tiffany, why did you pop your balloon?
It's the age difference. I'm 30 something, so.
But then women get upset with men when we want to date younger women. Just the other day, I was having a conversation with a group of ladies, and I said that much older men should date women in their 20s. Like a guy like me who's in his late 30s should date women in their 20s and early 30s. They got upset with me, start calling me the P word, and oh, why can't you date your own age? But then when a man gets to a certain age, he's gonna want women younger than him. And in this video, the women don't want him because he's too young. But then he's a man. He's an aspiring artist. So when he start to glow up and show up, then his options are gonna get bigger. He's gonna be able to date women in their 20s and early 30s. Nothing anyone could to say to deter him. Men don't have a biological clock.
I wouldn't date below 30.
See?
Okay, and is Tiffany your type?
Same thing I said before. Initial attraction, no, but you're beautiful.
Because you're picky.
I'm very picky. Hey, listen, I've been around to know enough, and I know what I want. So.
I feel that. Okay. Hello. Could you give us your name, your age, and your occupation?
Yes, I'm Jasmine. I'm 36 and I'm in education and real estate.
Okay. And Jasmine, why did you pop your balloon?
Really, the age. I do like that you're a singer. I love singers. That's it.
Okay. And now, is Jasmine your type?
Definitely, yes. Definitely someone I would like to be out on time with, for sure.
Okay. What makes you your type, if you don't mind me asking?
I like caramel chocolate skin. That's always been my weakness. So definitely, that's mainly the reason why. Beautiful smile. I like your style. I like the way you dress. You know, complexion is everything to me. So it's wonderful. Welcome.
Okay. Hello. Could you give us your name, your age, and your occupation, please?
Yes, I am Courtney. I'm 32 and I'm an executive assistant.
Okay. And why did you pop your balloon?
Solely your age. I'm so sorry. If you would have said, 39, then my balloon wouldn't be popped. But I'm so sorry.
No harm, no foul.
Okay. And you have something else?
I was just going to ask, is it like inappropriate to ask you to sing because I love R&B? Like, I would want that.
I usually don't open my mouth until I get a check, but I'm making an exception. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey, and you're as sweet as strawberry wine, and you're as warm as a glass of brandy, and honey, I stay sprung on your love all the time.
You see, she's starting to get hot and bothered there. She's ready to take off the attire and say, baby, give me that fire. And then we go to the bedroom and retire. Lord, Lord. I bet you should take back her balloon after this. Let's see.
Wow.
Okay. All this serenation. Does anybody want their balloons back? All right. Now, is Courtney your type?
Yes. Beautiful complexion. I love your silhouette. I love your smile. Definitely yes.
Okay. All right.
She's a singing Pookie.
And what is your name, your age, and your occupation?
My name is Lucinda. I'll be 31 on the 17th, and I'm a mental health therapist.
Okay. And Lucinda, why did you pop your balloon?
Although you are very handsome, dreads are my preference initially. So that's why.
Okay. And is she your type?
You're beautiful, but no.
You're picky.
Yeah. I like thicker
Gotcha.
women, but you're beautiful. I love your smile. You seem like you have a pretty radiant personality, so definitely.
Thank you.
Okay. Can you give us your name, your age, and your occupation?
Yes. Hi, I'm Cece. I'm 37, and I work for I'm a medical biller and coder at an oncology practice. Sorry.
Okay, no, not a problem. And Cece, why did you pop your balloon?
The age. I mean, he's perfect. The height, the look, the dreads are clean. You dress really nice, but
Thank you. I appreciate
I'm
it.
so used to younger guys talking to me, and I'm trying to stay away from that. I wish you
I
just
understand.
Trouble.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
That's it. Just the age.
Okay, and is Cece your type?
She would be something I would date.
What makes her your type?
Hey, look at her.
She's thick. She's nice and thick.
Definitely.
Okay. Alrighty. Unfortunately, all the balloons have been popped. We really appreciate you coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
No problem. No problem. Thank you.
So there you have it, ladies and gents. It's like the dating scene out here is just getting worse and worse. Man can't even get picked because he's too young or he's too old. Men just can't catch a break. Men just can't catch a break. Because unfortunately, a lot of women, not all of them, a lot of women have some unrealistic expectations. But at the end of the day, men still have the pick of the litter, because he's a 29-year-old guy, aspiring R&B singer, and when he blows up, he's gonna have all the options. But in the meantime, he's gonna keep putting in the work. This has been Sir Boss TV. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Till next time, I'm out.